In this video, I'll guide you through how to convert a PDF to DocuSign so you can send it out for electronic signatures quickly and confidently. We'll start from the moment you sign in all the way to sending your document off to your recipients. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click and why, and you'll be ready to handle this process on your own. First, log into your DocuSign account, open your browser, go to the DocuSign website and sign in with your usual credentials. If you have multiple accounts, such as personal and business, make sure you're logging into the one that should own this document. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is where you can start new documents, check status, and review anything that's already been sent. From here, we're going to start a new envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is simply the package that contains your document and all the settings around who needs to sign it and in what order. Look for the new option, usually at the top of the screen, and click it. From the drop-down, choose Send an Envelope. This tells DocuSign you're preparing a document that will go out for signatures. Now it's time to bring your PDF into DocuSign. On the Send an Envelope page, you'll see an option to upload your files. Click the Upload area, then browse your computer for the PDF you want to send. Select your file and confirm. DocuSign will upload it and convert it into a format that supports fields like signatures, dates, and text boxes. Give it a moment to process, especially if it's a larger file. Once it's uploaded, you'll see a preview of the document in the envelope. Next, you need to add your recipients. Scroll to the recipients section of the envelope, type in the email address of the first person who needs to sign. You can usually also add their name to make tracking easier. If there's more than one signer, add each one as a separate recipient. Many accounts let you control the signing order, so if one person must sign before another, adjust the routing order numbers accordingly. This helps keep the process organized and ensures everyone signs at the right time. After setting your recipients, you'll move on to placing the actual signature fields. Click the button that takes you to the tagging or document preparation screen. Here you'll see your PDF on the left and a set of fields on the right. Choose the recipient at the top so that any fields you place will belong to that person. Drag a signature field onto the page and drop it where you want them to sign. You can also add other fields like date signed or name if needed. Repeat this for each signer, making sure every required signature spot has a field assigned to the correct recipient. Once all your fields are placed, take a moment to review everything. Check that the right people are listed, that the email addresses look correct, and that every place someone needs to sign or fill something out has a field attached. When you're satisfied, look for the Send button, click Send, and DocuSign will email your envelope to the recipients you specified. They'll receive a link to open, review, and sign the PDF electronically. That's the full process for converting a PDF into a DocuSign envelope and sending it out for signatures. With these steps, you can quickly turn any PDF into a secure, trackable, and legally binding document.